Aloha, this is Doña, who stops the music and is your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorial. My purpose of the today tutorial is to teach you the free play, to improvise. So at the beginning of my Baritone series, I explained you the formula of the major scale, which is the root tone, and then whole tone, semitone. And then we do whole tone, semitone. And we have a chord box system or chord shape system for this. And I use today, for example, the A major scale. I zoom myself in and show you directly on the fretboard. Hold on. So, if we would start here, this is the A. We use like 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2. This is the standard shape for a major scale. So it's like A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, E, excuse me, not E, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. You can use it for the B major scale, also the same shape. And it works. But anyway, we stay today with the A major scale. I want you that you practice the scale, that you get familiar with it. So stop the video and practice. As soon as you think you were familiar with it, go ahead. Okay, so you're back. We practice the A major scale and use whatever you want. A metronome, a drum computer. Create with your own DAW like Pro Logic, GarageBand, Cubase, whatever exists on the market, and do your own backing track. Or if you were extra lazy, hop on YouTube, type in A major scale backing track and choose whatever you want. Reggae, soul, funk, ballads, and practice on time with it. Or gonna be my Patreon and I upload this backing track I used today with 79 BPM extra slowly for practicing and get used to it for you. So I zoom myself in again and we're gonna practice together. Okay, we start slowly with the scale. Start practicing, improvising. or use the E minor chord or B minor for baritone. And you see, these are all the notes included of your chord shape box, and you can strum or pick it. And so on. This is a tiny example how you can practice and improvise your skills to be independent and to force your creativity and trying new things. So, like you realized, I just created 1 second before with my cork chaos pad the tiny backing track and tried to create during I do this tutorial and improvise a song. And so you're not safe and 100% for sure what you are doing, but I want to give you the authentic impression how it is if you start practicing. You are not under control with everything because you are trying and improvising, but this is to make your mind free to get better and do your own great ukulele tunes. So if there are any questions how I can support you, feel free to ask me. Otherwise, please support me with a like, with a comment, share my video, and see you for the next tutorial. Love you, Doña.